relaxing today. My life is pretty sweet, guys. It's a whole lot of relaxing. I like it. I've been eating this. Ikke dårligt, hva'? Ej, det bliver lækkert. Now I'm just chilling in Moss Place. It was nice eating some sushi with the girls, hanging out, talking a bit. I really like Jewel and Amelia. They're great. I'm definitely gonna miss them when I move out of here. Guys, be retarded and stop wasting your life. I like this guy, Elisha Long. I mean, he's a little repetitive, but it's nice. He's got some pretty good, insightful videos. Check him out. I just fell asleep. I just woke up like 2 hours later. I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping. There were some things I forgot. I got this thing fully charged up. Thank God I got this Pitzoom fast charger. And thank God I'm gonna be able to finally pay Dion back for that. I've been owing him for quite a few months for that thing. But it's been pivotal. I'm gonna switch into my riding pants. Yes came home while I was making durum. And then Moss came by and some other people came by. They're just hanging out outside right now as I finish my meal. But yeah, I shared some more food. I like sharing food. Hung out with Moss and Naya for a bit. Oh, now I'm going in to chill out. It's getting cold out here, man. Good morning, guys. I just took a shower using these nice products I got from Natchez Neighbor Lady. She gave me a ton of good stuff. She's also the one who gave me my my brush. I'm feeling really good right now. My hair is already looking great. This is good. I'm just chilling out. I ate some rolled oats with milk, drinking some tea now. Chilling out with my eggs back here. I really hope they hatch. They gotta come forth in like 4 days or so. Otherwise, I don't think they're gonna arrive, sadly. Let's see. I really want to be a bird mom. It's me and Yes's cleaning week in the commune, so I gotta clean some toilets, some common areas today, but for now, I'm just gonna be chilling out a little bit. The room all day, and the guys are just sitting out here. Every time I go by to go take a pee or something, they're like, hey, come hang out. Come on, Luke, come hang out in the sun. So I'm gonna at least go smoke a cigarette with them. I just need some downtime today, just editing and chilling out. I'm kind of behind on editing. Guys, I ended up hanging out with Moss and Jake, a guy who comes and lives here for the spring, typically. It was really nice. Julius was there too. We've just been hanging out all day. Now, I'm hungry. I'm cooking up a storm. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm back into the room, relax, hang out with Stony, fall asleep eventually in the morning sometime. I live a pretty free existence. I'm pretty happy about it. It's but I think only because I know I'm about to go and live outdoors every day. I just got a few things that I need to get under control completely, like getting the final few solar panels and getting the box working in proper order so I can use it with the wheel. Yeah, almost there. So a little boring for now still. Bear with me. Guys, I got my food made. I'm hanging out with Stony now. Yes, he's chilling out on top of me. Up here. This is gonna be so good.